Hello friends. So in this video I am going to describe about the JAIIB examination and CAIIB examination registration date and the date on which the exam is going to happen. As we all are aware that the JIIB and CIIB exam that was supposed to held in the month of May has been postponed month after month due to COVID-19, and now the final reschedulement date has been listed out by the IIBF. So let us see what are the set of guidelines that the IIBF has provided for appearing in the examination and what are the registration dates. So in this video we will see regarding this. So first let's talk about the JIIB. As we all are aware that in the JIIB we are having three papers. The first paper is principles and practices of banking. In the second paper we talk about the accounting and finance, and in the third paper we are supposed to talk about the legal and regulatory aspects of banking. So earlier it was rescheduled on 1st November, 8th November and 22nd November, but again due to COVID it has been further postponed to the next month, that is December 2020. So the date has been rescheduled for the paper 1 to 6th December 2020, for the paper 2 accounting and finance to 12th December, and the third paper the very next day of the second paper, that is on the 13th December. So these are the examination date that is going to happen in the next month. Now let us talk about the registration date. So the registration will start from the 9th of November, that is it has already been started yesterday, and if you are supposed to do the registration before 15th November or on or before 15th we can say, then you are supposed to pay the normal fees as prescribed by the IIBF. But again, if you are delayed by a day to the 22nd, you are supposed to pay 100 rupees as an extra amount. So I would tell you all that if you are interested to fill up the JIB exam, you should do it immediately, because while going through the option you will get two option for the slot. One slot at morning 8:30 and the other slot is at 11:30. So in this slot there are limited number of seats. So once in a slot, suppose the number of seats have been occupied, then it will be shown as the number of seats have been occupied. So you should supposed to make the registration at the earliest. Now let's talk about the CAIIB. In the CAIIB, again the registration date is same as that of the JIIB, that is from 9th to 15th you will have to pay the normal fees, and from 16th to 22nd you are supposed to pay the normal fees plus rupees 100 as an extra fine. So again you can see in the CAIIB, if we talk about the ABM, advanced bank management, it has been rescheduled at 20th December. BFM, it has been rescheduled at 26th December, and in this manner you can see the various list of CAIB examination which are supposed to held in the next month. So next talk about the set of guidelines or the declaration which you are supposed to do while appearing in the examination. And let's see one more thing. Those candidates who had earlier filled up the form before COVID, you can say, so those persons were given an opportunity to change the seats, but now the date has expired, so we are not going to talk much about this. The link was active from 3rd November to 8th November, and during this period you were supposed to change the center, venue, or batch, you can say. So this facility were provided due to the COVID-19 pandemic, as the people may be located at a different place prior and after the form. So now let's come to the instructions. So in the instruction part, if we talk about the instruction, then again the most important focus is on COVID-19. So as we all are aware that there is set of guidelines from the respective governments. So in that case, again the IIBF has issued a set of guidelines. You must follow it before appearing the examination. That is, you should maintain social distancing, and you must bring hard copy of your printed admit letter along with identity proof and self declaration form, which is given in the appendix. I will show it later. In the annexure A, it is given. Again, the self declaration form that must be filled and duly completed. And after filling up the form, you have to sign it at the end and print it. Again, the social distancing and mask is must. The body temperature will be checked by the thermal gun. Then no metal should be carried out, and like this a lot of precautionary measures have been provided by the IFBF. You can go through this. And now here comes the annexure 1, that is the self declaration form. In the self declaration form, you are supposed to give basic declaration that you are not suffering from fever or sore throat, cough, body chest pain, breathlessness, and you are not supposed to come in the contact of person who is suffering from COVID-19. Again, you are not under any mandatory quarantine as prescribed by the competent authority. Then again, these are the details that need to fill up, and after filling up the form, date and signature, mobile number you can give, and you must take a printout of this along with the admit card. So these were basically a set of guidelines that the IIBF has provided for the JIIB and CAIIB exam. So friends, if you are willing to appear in the JIIB exam or CIB exam, you must fill the form at the earliest to have the opportunity to pick the time as per your choice. So with this I am going to end. Thank you friends. In the next video I will talk about how to proceed for the registration, because some people are finding it difficulty from where they would get the link. So I will tell the complete details how to fill up the form or how to make the registration. So keep watching, and if you like, you must subscribe my channel so that the videos would reach at an appropriate and immediate. Thank you.